Hi, I'm Navneeth. I handle the talent management piece for the Landmark Group India. I'm the happiness hero for India for Landmark Group, and I was wondering why am I attending this? Sylvia, who attended last time, actually forced me and actually pushed me to come and attend this workshop. But then, no regrets. It's been absolutely wonderful. A lot of learning for me. Tremendous insights from multi-geographical people who have come here together across the globe. We as an organization have already launched something called Landmark Happiness Moment 2 years back, and we are actually thinking how to sustain it, how to sustain the momentum. I have got n number of answers to my questions, and I'm sure I'm going to use them in the coming months and years. This is a time where in our organization we want to create the history by relooking at the values, relooking at the culture that we're building in, and live to the requirements of today's world. It is absolutely wonderful to connect with multiple cultural people here and understand their perspective in terms of the culture and happiness, what happiness means to them. The team here who has put it together, the Happiitude people, are absolutely wonderful because they do everything said and done to ensure that they make you feel part of the session, part of the group, part of the learning processes. They go extra mile in everything that they want to do. Hats off to this team, and I'm sure we're going to partner with them many more times now.